All right, I'm going to say this right now. When I first started off in my journey of trying to learn how to trade, it didn't go so well. I'll be honest with you because I was up and down. I'll take trades and then lose trades. So, and I didn't have a lot of money. And some people do have the capital to be able to dump into this business or to put into an account, and then they make it successful or become lucky, and then they blow it, whatever the case may be. I felt as if over a certain period of time, that the passion I had for trading was slowly starting to diminish. And the fact is that it started feeling as if it was destroying my own life, and it got to a point to where it felt like it was uncontrollable because it was something I was so passionate about doing, and just coming from the nature I have, I'm driven to be able to not only be competitive, but also learn something, because I always have that mindset that if someone else can do it, I can do it as well. Well, I'll say this. Trading is one of those things that's probably the hardest thing I've ever tried to accomplish in my life. It's not easy because we don't control the markets. I figured that out, many, many years ago. And having the thought that, put a little money into the business or into the game and then I'll make more money back. That's not how it works. It's all about being regiment. It's all about, being patient and being disciplined. It's about those psychological components that you have to deal with every single day outside of even trading, being fearful of something or having fear or being able to be disciplined, patience. All those things are what make up a great trader. When it comes to, having the mental space to be able to understand and sit in front of these charts, to be able to basically read what's going on. What are the institutions doing? What are the markets doing? And knowing when to trade and then knowing when not to trade. Those are things that really help us as traders. So the thing that I had to work on myself the most was two things. I was fearful with just a little bit of money that I had, and I didn't have much money to actually invest into the market. So I was closing my trades early because I would get scared because I didn't have much money, and I didn't want the trades to hit my stop loss and take what I had from me. So I was like kind of seesawing, get into a trade, make a little bit, get into the next trade, blow it. I was taking more trades than I should have taken. Now today I have a process or a system in place for myself that I stick to because I'm going to tell you this, you're going to learn this, that when you deviate from, let's just say, for example, you don't have a trading plan, right? You're going to find yourself taking more losses than you ever have. And you're probably going to get frustrated, and you're probably going to say that trading is really, truly destroying my life, and you're going to stop because you haven't fixed the biggest thing, which is your psychology, okay? Now, once you have a plan in place and you start to stick with it, you're going to see that you'll start to become more consistent in your trading and then become more profitable. Again, I have a goal of at least making like 500 plus a day, all right? Now, I'm not like most that have, that get rich quick scheme type thing. No, trading is about compounding because that's what's going to cause healthy growth in your account. And then down the road, you can say I'll trade just an extra contract or, to get to the goal quicker. Because the more you engage within the markets, I'm going to say this right now, the more you're going to find yourself losing. So you have to put into place a limitation barrier for yourself. 1 trade, 2 trade, lockout, I'm done for the day. All right. Whether it's you win or lose. You take 1 trade, you win. 2 trades, you win. Good. 1 trade, you win. The second trade you lost, then be done. Don't keep chasing. Okay. Because eventually, even if you have the capital, you're going to find out that you're going to blow multiple accounts, whether it's prop firm or your own personal live account, brokerage account. I'm talking about your own capital. You don't want that to happen. I'm saying right now, trust me, I've been there. I've been doing this long enough. I've seen too many people, lose a lot behind this business, okay? Or interest, passion, whatever you want to call it, investment, investor, whatever spectrum that you're actually on, okay? You have to understand, and I say spectrum, I mean whatever, whatever plateau or whatever a level that that trading is in, you are in when it comes to trading in your life. That's what I'm trying to say. So you have to understand that, okay? Yes, we want to be profitable. Yes, but the things that we have to understand to fix this as well, all right? You got to kind of allow the fear to kind of dissipate because it will control you. It will consume you. And don't be taking trades or chasing trades, The fear of missing out because you did miss an opportunity and then the market's already moved past. Guess what? By the time you get in, it's already started retracing. And then you got into a bad trade and now you're losing money, okay? Becoming disciplined overall leads to consistency and profitability. All right. Being disciplined, having patience. Most of what it takes to make money in this business is being patient. Okay. Whether you want to make $100 a day, $1,000 a day, $10,000 a day, it all comes with being patient and being able to read and understand what's going on truly on in the markets every single day. So the system and how I personally trade, which I share with a vast community of individuals who are part of this group, you can become one too, is the elite or the ultra elite supporter group. Very inexpensive, only $6.99 a month. But that's where I share my personal strategy and how I trade. It took so much time for me to get to the point where I was at 2+ years to be able to show some profitability or consistency in my trading that I wanted to help people. I told myself, and which I was never going to do, help people kind of curve that edge to get to a point to where they can trade and become profitable over time. You know, and it takes time. It's not going to happen overnight. Trust that, because you got to put skin in the game. You got to put time in, meaning studying these charts, back testing and forward testing. Okay, no matter the strategy that you're actually going to use, whether you understand something that I share or something else somewhere else on the internet. Okay, education is very important. Okay, there's many concepts that a person needs to learn, and that's what I strive to kind of share with people here on my channel, on those who are watching. Okay. That's why if you're interested in becoming, and to all those who are elite or ultra elite supporters of the community, and if you're interested, there's a join button right here in front of you on that video you're watching right now. Look right below it. You'll see a join button. Click on that, and you'll see what I'm talking about now. That's where I break down how I personally trade. So what I do is there's a Discord community, and you can join that. The link is down in the description portion of the video, as well as the link to become an elite or ultra elite supporter. But the system and how I personally trade, the strategy itself, the details in the components of things in which I break down when I'm discussing all of this video content, because there's a lot of video content there that you can watch. I'm talking about trade after trade after trade after trade of video content. To what trades I've taken, these are trades I posted over the Discord. I go back and I break them down in just very fine detail. I talk about the blueprint, the cornerstone to how I personally trade. And that's what's made up a world of difference for individuals. It's allowed people to learn a strategy, a system, and which has helped them tremendously. And if you don't believe me, you can come over to the Discord. There's a testimonial channel there where people are posting their own testimonials of using the strategy. It's allowed them to find something that's working for them. So that's the reason why I wanted to be able to share something that could help people. And that's the reason why I share the strategy and the system, how I trade, the cornerstone of how I trade. All right. There's nothing complex about it, but you got to understand, analysis. You got to understand how to actually, read the charts in terms of market structure, understanding price action, knowing how to identify what zones to trade from. I mean, the levels, because I trade supply and demand, which zones to actually trade from. Okay. So the system of how I trade, that's where I share with that community, the elite and the ultra elite supporter group. If you want to become one, a member, you can click the join button or the link down in the description. And then you'll see that there'll be a few tiers pop up. You'll see that you'll have a choice to scroll and click on the elite or the ultra elite tier. And you'll see the perks and rewards that you receive for each tier plus the price tag. $6.99 breaks down to be like 24 cents on the day. There's nothing else or nowhere else you're going to find something that, I guess, inexpensive that could actually help you. Now, I can't guarantee anything to anyone out there in terms of will they become successful or not, if it's going to work for them or not. No, you have to put the time in to see if it's going to work for you. Try the strategy, see if it's going to work for you, because everybody comes from different walks in life. Some people have bad habits they can't let go. Some people have learned something that they can't shake that hasn't worked, and they start mixing things together. That's not going to work. You got to have a clean mind, clean slate, okay? Declutter your mindset to be able to learn something new and do away with the old habits and bad habits to be able to bring something in new that could actually work for you. But again, I cannot guarantee anything to anyone out there. I can only share with you what works for me, and through the means of the tons of invaluable video content for those who choose to become elite and ultra elite supporters. But, moving on, I just want to say this right now. Don't allow, trading to really affect your life so much, okay? To where, especially if you start to lose a bunch of money, or like myself, I didn't have much to lose, but I knew my limitation and where I needed to stop at. Stop at some point to figure it out what you're doing wrong. Don't keep pushing the envelope because you will lose everything you have. Okay, I've seen people lose things, their homes, blow accounts, their bank accounts, their savings. You don't want to position yourself in that type of, arena. Okay, I don't want to see people, having to. I don't want to see people really, struggling in life because they lost a bunch of money when it comes to trading, whatever the case is, and you gotta know when to stop. All right, everybody is their own man and their own woman. That's the point of today. But again, like it affected me when I first started. Most people who trade, they feel like, it's never going to work. Let me give up and do something else. All right. That's why less than 5% and probably less than that actually make it in this business. Seriously, it's the toughest thing I personally have ever had to do. Okay, I've had to shape up myself. I've had to get my psychology right. I had to make a plan for myself. And it wasn't until then that's when I started seeing the light, the glimmer. All right, I was able to transform, and I stopped feeling as if trading was destroying my life, and I was able to start making money. Okay, so I just want to kind of talk about that today. If that is you and you're in that arena right now to where you're kind of feeling the slumps, the downs, you're kind of in between. You're saying I'm almost there, but I'm not quite there. Well, then keep pushing if you're almost there. If you feel like you're almost over the hill. But for those who are just constantly blowing through money and there's something else you're struggling with, and you need to get that right first. The habits, the mental space, the psychology portion of it, you got to get it right first, okay? And it could be something very minor, but you got to figure out what that is if you want to make money in this business and sustain to be able to do this for a living, all right? That's all I have to share today, guys. Again, if you're interested in becoming an elite and ultra elite supporter, the link is down in the description. For all those who have not subscribed, please do so. Go ahead and click that button right now. Make sure to turn your post notifications on so you don't miss any content here on the channel. And if you can do me the biggest favor before you click off this video, make sure to drop a like if you haven't already done so by clicking that thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.